Give you this to film. Thank you. All right. Hi, so my name is Megan Parker, and today we are going to be making quick and cheap egg salad. I'm doing this for my Cal U public speaking class. So, basically a show of hands here, if you want to peer the audience, who likes to save money?
I have to do that.
A little peer, yeah, perfect. Great. And who likes to make a quick and easy meal? Show of hands. All right, perfect. So, Guy Fieri, the Food Network star, said, "Food is not just for eating, it's an experience," and I hope we have a great experience here today. So I'm gonna break it down how to make egg salad. Super simple. First, I'm gonna explain the things we need, then we're gonna prep, and then we're gonna assemble. So, first to explain, to make a cheap egg salad, you're gonna use packets that you just have at home. We're gonna use the method of 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna use 4 eggs, 3 mayonnaise packets, 2 mustard packets, and a hot sauce packet. Super easy, super simple, and stuff you'll probably have laying around the house. And since we saved so much money using stuff laying around the house, went out and got some chives to put on top of it. All right. So I ate plenty of egg salad in my day, and this is by far the most tasty and simplest way to make it. So after explaining, we're going to talk about the preparation for it. To know that your eggs are good and not spoiled, there's a way to test it. You want to take your eggs out, and you want to just get a bowl of water. If you drop the egg in the water and it sinks to the bottom, that means your egg is good to use. If it rises to the top, that means your eggs are spoiled and not good to use. So clearly, these eggs are awesome to use. All right, so since we know our eggs are good to use, now we want to cook our eggs. There are 2 ways that we can do to cook our eggs. We can either use the air fryer or boil them. Air fryer is super awesome, and I recommend the best way to do it. Less of a mess, less of a hassle, and it's just faster. You want to set the air fryer for 270 degrees, and they will cook for 15 minutes, and the eggs come out perfect. If you don't have an air fryer, you can put your eggs in boiling water, and that cooks for about 8 minutes. One of my favorite quotes and a good metaphor for life is that boiling water, you can put either eggs in or potatoes in. Eggs harden and potatoes soften. It really all matters how you handle your situation. So, take the eggs out. They're all done, all cooked, ready to go. A great way to peel the eggs is that same water you used earlier to test to see if the eggs were good or not. You can put some ice in the water, make it cold, and then put your hot eggs in there. This is a great way to crack your eggs and peel your eggs. The colder they are, the easier it is for the shell to come off at the end. All right, you see how simple that was for it to peel off. All right. So just to save a little bit of time for peeling the eggs, I already have some eggs prepared over here. Eggs that I cooked earlier in the air fryer. And the last and final step, we're going to talk about assembly. So back to what I said earlier, we're going to do the 4, 3, 2, 1 method. We have 4 eggs here. We are going to chop them up super fast. And then we are going to use the 3 mayonnaise packets, 2 mustard packets, and 1 hot sauce packet. Chopping these up. Right, perfect. So we'll open up these packets, pour it in. Probably should have had these packets open sooner. Would have saved a little bit of time. But pour these in here. A little bit harder than I thought to open these. All right, get the hot sauce in there. Got the 2 mustard packets. All right, perfect. And got that 3rd mayonnaise packet in there. All right, so we're just gonna mix this up. Give it a good stir, get those yolks combined. Looking great. And then we are gonna chop up some chives here. I'm gonna grab 1 chive, and then we are gonna julienne this and put it on top. To julienne, you need to, it's a French cut, and it is small, thin slices that look like matchsticks. So, do a little cut here. Right, and then we'll toss this on top, and then that is your simple egg salad. Just to reiterate, all you have to do is remember the 4-3-2-1 method. 4 eggs, 3 packets of mayonnaise, 2 packets of mustard, and 1 packet of hot sauce. We learned some great ways on how to cook the eggs in the air fryer, and a great way to pill it just using some ice. Is there any questions for the audience?
I have one.
You have a question?
Yes.
Okay.
How long does the egg salad keep?
The egg salad keeps for roughly 3 to 5 days if you refrigerate it, and then if you leave it at room temperature, it will only last for 2 hours. Right. Thanks for your patience, guys, and listening to my speech.